I've had the Dyson Airwrap for about 2 years, and I've given myself weekly blowouts pretty much ever since I got it. So I feel like I've mastered it. I know all the tips and tricks. So here's how I do my Dyson blowouts. Start with clean hair and a heat protectant spray to prep it. Find your part first and get it exactly how you want it. Then you're gonna split your hair in two and work on one side at a time. Smooth it out until it's about 90% dry. I used to do it in layers, starting with the bottom section of my hair, but then I found when I would bring the next section down, it would make the hair that I already curled frizzy, and I would have to end up doing that piece again anyways, so this method works so much better. Try to get it as close to your root as possible for added volume. A common mistake people make is grabbing pieces that are too large and then the curl won't hold, so I like to take pieces that are about 3 inches wide. Once you feel like the hair has had enough time to curl, turn the cool shot on for about 10 seconds, or just until the hair is no longer hot, but this makes your curls last so much longer. Finish it off with some oil and a hairspray, and those are my tips and tricks to get the perfect Dyson blowout.
Here at Colour Wow, we get questions all the time. What is the difference between Dreamcoat and Dreamcoat for curly hair? Keep watching, and I'm going to do one side with Dreamcoat, one side with Dreamcoat curly. Before. Okay, so now we've washed our side here, we're going to use the Dreamcoat for curly hair. The way to apply the Dreamcoat for curly hair is just to take big sections. We've liberally applied it through this section. We can scrunch the hair, either air dry or diffuse. Okay. So on the right side, we're going to use the Dreamcoat to get the hair looking like glass. Now, in order to apply this, we're going to take smaller sections and really saturate root to tip. Smaller sections and really saturate root to tip. We've got the Dreamcoat for curly hair, air dried. Side, we've got the Dreamcoat. This is now humidity proofed for 3 to 4 washes, and as you can see, has got that incredible glass hair-like shine.
Today's a fun video. One of my most asked questions is about my waves and curls that I do. Following that question is, how do you make them stay? Well, to be honest, they don't. I've seen this viral Bombshell volumizer by Colour Wow, and we're gonna put her to the test. I do not usually use product, anything to help the people. It feels very lightweight. I don't like my hair to feel heavy. I love when it's weightless and free. So far, it actually does feel like that. The volume's looking impressive. And I will say I'm really thoroughly impressed. It feels as if I have no product in my hair at all. All right, now we're adding in a few curls. Guys, my hair is so sleek, but so voluminous at the same time. So let's go through the day and I will check back in to show you how everything's holding up. It is many hours later and I had to report back. The volume is still insane. Curl is as if I just did it. If you guys are in the market for something like this, Colour Wow's Extra Large definitely lives up to the hype. And I think it's gonna be my new go-to.
Just met a boy when he could come inside of my playpen, cause he looked like a superstar in the making. So I think that I'm going in for the taking. Hear through the grapevine that he taking. We could shoot a movie, he could do the taping. Boom, boom, pow, this thing be shaking. I ain't even try to find out who.
We all really try to combat dry skin, keeping it extra hydrated with serums and lotions like that. But we also need to be keeping our hair hydrated in the winter. It gets super dry and it can break off. One way that I've been fighting hair dullness, dryness, breakage is the Alterna. This is their Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Intensive Leave-In Treatment Mask. It's a mouthful, but this works wonders. All you need are a couple of pumps. A little goes a long way. You could either do it on towel-dried hair, or you could do it on dry hair if your hair is feeling really, really dry. So sometimes I'll do that. I'll just wrap my hair up in a little bun. You're good to go. My hair is feeling pretty dry and dull right now, and also I'm kind of greasy. So I'm gonna go take a shower, and I'll show you guys the after once my hair is all styled. Makes my hair feel so shiny and luscious and just like immediately feels healthier. I just finished styling my hair and doing my makeup. You can just tell how much silkier and healthier my hair looks and feels. It feels way healthier, softer already after just one use. It's such a game changer for my hair. Highly recommend.